Aishwarya ma'am is back on the scene, and just like always, so legendary, such a glow on her face. Always lovely to see her. ऐश्वर्या राय उन लोगों में से हैं जो मतलब no matter how long it takes for her to show up back again, जब भी वो आती है she just lights up the screen. And bro, मतलब कई सारी एक्ट्रेसेस आई गई हैं लोरियल पेरिस के साथ over the years, but Aishwarya has stayed as the main face for her, for Asia at least, and she's just a global brand, man. Like मतलब उनको कोई जरूरत नहीं है फिल्मों में आने की. Just look at the ये लाइव है बॉस. अभी क्या बोले भाई, मतलब okay, yes, makeup है and all this, people say that, but bro, for a person to have this confidence and to have look at that glow, वो जो ग्लैमर है भाई वो नहीं ला सकते आप. यू कांट, मनी कैन नॉट बाय क्लास, एंड दैट्स इट. ऐश्वर्या राय इज classy. She has always been classy and she will always be classy. And look at how cool she is. Seriously. और उनका ये नमस्ते करना at a public platform on a global brand in Paris, I think ये साफ बता देता है कि she still feels Indian at the root of her heart and she's representing the country on a global stage. Aishwarya Rai hamesha se, she has always been the GOAT when it comes to this. I don't know about her acting, but she's always been great at modeling. This is her zone, man. Like, that's her zone. 25 seconds of absolute bliss. And बड़े बड़े नाम जो है fashion industry में and in Hollywood have come and interacted with her so lovingly. It just shows कि वो कितनी ज़्यादा loved हैं all over the globe. People just love her, you know, and that's the thing. And like, look at the absolute care. Like, she hugged her and उनको पता चला कि भाई मैंने बाल थोड़े से शायद टेढ़े मेढ़े कर दिए. So look, she made it right. I mean, that you cannot fake that. You know what I'm saying? This is another person saying that the only reason his husband married him is the fact कि वो ऐश्वर्या के fan थे, and then he loves Aishwarya. Awesome. Just awesome. Just amazing. Everything about her is amazing. She's always been the GOAT. And I know कई लोग बोलेंगे कि शायद आप उनको पसंद करते हैं and all that. That's another thing. Obviously उनको पसंद करते हैं because she is Aishwarya Rai. But another thing is, no actress of today's time is able to get that glow on their faces, despite their money, despite their fame, no matter what. Because you cannot buy class with money. That's it. And Aishwarya Rai defines class. Aishwarya Rai equals class. And yes, I am a fan. I've always been. You know, I think I always will.